Hey guys, Technomentor with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access your wallet on the lock screen on your iPhone, the new iPhone, or if you have a phone that's older or does have a touch home button. So let's get started. So very first thing is you need to check a few settings. Simply go into your setting of your iPhone, and then once you go into your settings, you just want to go into your wallet and Apple Pay. And under wallet and your Apple Pay, first thing is you have to ensure that you have a card added. If not, simply click on that add card and follow the prompt to add a card, but you need to add a card to your account. And then also you need to ensure that this double click side button, which is this button on the right hand side, is turned on so that when you double click on it, your wallet can be accessed to pay at a store. So if I double click on this, right, as you can see, the card comes up and you just hold it to the reader or the payment kiosk and you should be able to make a payment. So that's going to be on a phone that is all touchscreen. Now let's say if you have a phone that has a home button like this one, right, the iPhone SE here, same thing. In the settings here, you'll want to go to wallet and Apple Pay. Of course, add a card if you don't have one, but for the one with the actual home button, you need to select a double click home button because there is no side button on this. So you'll double click on it, and once you do that, your card will come up if you have a card available even when the phone is locked. And I'll show you an example here with this phone. For example, this phone is locked, right? I can just double click on it and the card will come up, and of course your Face ID verification will come up, or your Touch ID verification will come up for the phone with the home button. So that's how you do it. So I hope this quick little video is helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.